Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Cohen's RV Thrills. Today, we're taking a look at the 2026 Forest River Impression 36 BR3, and I have a special guest on the show. This is Doug from Forest River, and we're going to be reviewing this RV together and showing you all these really cool features. So, I guess we can start up in the bedroom. So we've got this nice walk-in closet in here with washer dryer prep, which is really awesome. And also, this is what I call on my channel the timeout escape window, because it can be used as an emergency exit window or timeout escape, you know. But also, what size bed is in this?
So this is a king bed on a Versatilt system. So this will lift up. For one, it gives you more bedroom space here. But also sits you up so you can read or watch TV sitting in bed.
Yeah, there's TV hookups right here. You got your satellite and TV cable hookup. But also up at the up front in front of the bed, you have these 3 giant drawers right here, so you can store all your folded clothes or whatever belongings you want. I think under the window, is this like a bench?
Yeah, we've got some plumbing ran down there, but yeah, a lot of people do use that as a bench.
Yeah, it can work as a bench. So, is there anything else in the bedroom you'd like to point out?
In the bedroom, we do have a 15K AC in here. Okay. That's going to be solely for your upper deck in here. This whole unit will have 3 ACs. So you'll have a 15K here in your bedroom, a 15K just for that bunk room, and then an 18K in your living and kitchen space.
All right. And also, you have outlets on, I know on that side of the bed. Yep, there's some back here. So these are GFI, USB, and USB-C outlets. So you have outlets on either side of the bed where you can plug in all your devices. And you've got a floating shelf on either side of the bed. That's pretty nice. So let's head to the bathroom and see what's going on in there. So in the bathroom, we have countertop space, a backlit mirror. Is this a stainless steel sink?
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, so stainless steel sink, be really nice. Storage on the side and below the sink for a little bit of plumbing access and everything. Also, porcelain toilet, which comes standard in all Impressions. Super nice. Also, I'm about 5'2", so I'm in the shower, standing up pretty well. Like, I got plenty of headroom. And a very nice glass door that slides open. Also, you got this big window out in the hallway, which is pretty nice. You see your whole campsite, right?
That's right.
Also, this RV has on-demand hot water, which means you get long-lasting hot showers in this. And also, you have is this thermostat controller?
Yeah, so that remote will be for the 18,000 BTU air conditioner.
Probably that one.
Yep, that'll be in here for the kitchen and living space.
Awesome. Yeah, so speaking of the kitchen, solid surface countertops, another stainless steel sink. This is like the multi-function sink. Is there an industry term for this?
Some people call it the TikTok sink.
I've heard that. I've heard that term before. I really have. Like,
it's got all the gadgets, right?
It does. It does. Like, so this one, me and sometimes Josh, the RV nerd, call the cup bidet, technically. But you have like a waterfall feature, a soap dispenser, different modes for your faucet head, which is removable, and yeah. So, and of course the cup bidet. But also another highlight of the kitchen, you get a dishwasher in this RV, which is pretty insane. I really like that feature. How many Impressions have a dishwasher?
We currently are running that in 4 models.
Okay.
Yep.
I know the 360 has it in there.
Yep. We also just launched our 301 ML that'll have it as well.
Yeah.
And our 44 stay.
Okay, awesome.
Yep.
You also got some drawers over here for plenty of storage and everything. Very nice. There's even some storage above the sink. Very nice. I like that up there. Now, over here on this end of the kitchen, so you have a full wall slide over here, or a super slide, but also there's drawers, there's storage down here, and your oven. It may look like you have 2 ovens, but there's a drawer down here held by a magnet. It's a pretty good drawer. And the oven's actually bigger, if you've noticed from like the travel trailers. Definitely a size up.
Yeah, model years past we had a 17-inch. We actually this year went to a 21-inch range.
That's awesome. And you've also got 3 burners on this. Make sure to always lift the glass up before cooking on it, because We all know what happens when you don't do that. And also, you have a residential-sized microwave in here, Furrion brand. And also, wine rack up here, is that? Awesome. Yep. And also, storage right there, super cool. Residential-sized Furrion fridge with, obviously, you guys got a lot of water in here.
It's going to be a long week.
Yeah, it is. It is going to be a long week. Oh, and also, over here, so this may look like a regular entertainment system, but when this latch is pulled, this is your hidden pantry in this. That's so cool. I find this as a great use of space in a lot of the RVs is the hidden pantry. Oop, gotta latch it. There we go. Much better. And over here, so sectional sofa. Does this fold into a bed?
You'll have 2 recliners on this side, and then you'll have your chase lounge over there.
Okay, I like that. And I see there's a wireless charging port, and also, I think there's USB ports on that. Looks like pretty nice. Yep. Is that your hidden pantry?
Yeah, so you have a little pull-out pantry here as well.
Nice, I like that. So, also an oval-shaped island looks pretty cool. Also, solid surface countertops, like all of them in the RV. But let's show them the highlight of the RV. So behind these doors is a hidden bunk room. It's got 2 twin beds in the rear of the RV. So hanger storage in the middle. And also, over here you have a checkerboard. So the 2 people that are in the beds can literally play checkers with each other through this little window, which also has a curtain. And also, each bunk room has its own private TV up here. Pretty cool. There's also a fun little circular light fixture and another sort of reading light over here. But I love that. And each one has its own timeout escape window, which is amazing. But is there anything else you'd like to add before we finish off the RV?
Yeah, we have a little storage here for some extra hanging space.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you pointed out the drawers underneath there on both sides as well.
Oh, I see that, yeah. Now, is there a reason why this mattress is here?
Yeah, so when we first were kind of making this and mocking it up, we had some concerns of, well, we targeted this for a family of 4. But what if they bring a friend or something like that? So instead of bringing in an air mattress, having to blow that up, we put a mattress pad here for them to kind of slide out and make for an extra bed.
Gotcha. That's a great design, and it's a great use of space too, because like you don't want just blank wall, you know.
Yeah.
But thanks for letting us take a look at this. I had a great time.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Have a great day. And if you guys want to get this RV for the best price in America, visit thrillsrv.com and we'll get you hooked up with this awesome RV. Thank you so much for letting us review this. Have a great day. Peace.